Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a homemade squishy if you don't have paint. So first, take out a carrier bag or any plastic bag that you have. Then just crush it into the size that you want. I want to make like a smiley face, so I'm just going to make it into a circle. It don't have to be totally like a circle, just around it like this. And make sure you leave some air so that you can squish it, and when you squish it, it'll be nice. Then you want to take some tape and tape it down. After taping it down, it should form like a circle, like should form the shape that you just made just now. Then you want to take some masking tape or duct tape. Some of you guys don't have duct tape, then you can use masking tape. Then you just want to take your masking tape, then you want to just stick your masking tape like on top of this plastic bag. The more layers of masking tape you put, the more sterilizing your squishy would be. But make sure not to put too much, because I know some of you guys like your squishy to be super sterilizing, and then you guys put like 4 layers or something, and then your squishy is super sterilizing until you take like a day to fully rise up, and that's not what you want, because that's not called a squishy anymore. Because squishies aren't supposed to be so sterilizing. Just a layer or 2 will be enough. Then just like make this looks even. So just put tape on the place where you think that it's not that even, like here. It's not that nice. So you want to put a piece of tape on top to smooth it. Here, there's a bit of plastic back here not covered, so you want to take a bit of tape and just tape it. If you want your squishy to be pink, you can use pink duct tape or any duct tape. Any tape will do. Now you see this area is not covered, so I'll take some tape and just tape it around. And this way is super easy and is suitable for beginners. So now that I think it is even, it is then completed. But it's not fully completed yet. You want to take some markers or highlighters and just draw some face on your squishy. So I'm going to just draw some face on my squishy. Draw any design I want. It doesn't really matter. It does not change the texture of your squishy, because it's just like the highlighter. And maybe a smiley face. Yep. So yeah, I completed my squishy. Ready to squish it? 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, look at this squishy. This squishy is so slow rising. So I just put 1 layer and now it's so slow rising, I mean. So remember not to put too much layer. 1 layer is basically enough. Look at that. Still rising, right? And that probably takes you like 2 minutes to fully rise up, which is already very slow rising. So I hope that you guys enjoy my video, and please remember to like, subscribe and share to my channel. Bye!